Hello all, welcome to our channel. Simple step how we can generating traffic website to mobile application, website to YouTube channel, website to so many options are here. So scroll down will be option here. When coming to scroll down, when I click this options are here. Write a review option is there. They go to review option will be like this. But my question is called I'll go to my website. Okay. In this website, I have the Google Map is there. The Google Map open purpose. I'm searching will be Rakesh Tech Solutions. When searching will be, same login will be there. They can visible my map. Here, ask to review like this. Copy the URL. The URL will be shown to the customer. Will be simple will be here like this. So this URL we have to show will be like button type that we can use will be anchor test. What we can go for it include we can using will be footer option. Click it. Which page you can add in will be here. See this. Okay, you can go. Here is the option will be write a review option. So anchor text will be using will be with the name of here and write a name will be here, write a review. So in this write a review place, I am adding for review. Click this. Previous write a review is there. Now will be Google review. When click this option, the review will be open. Any customer will looking for review, they click this option. So any particular linking, one specific name to we can use the name is called to the link. The link is name is nothing but anchor text. Any specific link, one name will be indicated. What is the name is called? Google review. So the review will show to the customer. That is the mean by that option name is called anchor text option and a hyperlink. Hyperlink, one name will be specified with the using purpose. The name will be mentioned by the anchor text. There will be a href link. After that, name of your watch now. Click this option will be here. So same video tutorial, everything will be there. But terms, condition, privacy policy, everything is there. Study material is there, services is there, training is there, career is there. So many options are here. Any option you can change, add the new option to the add your particular contractors. Your contractor is there. What I'm doing is copy the URL. In a contractors place, I'm adding will be completely different pattern. So contractors is there. This is a contractors. Paste on video. Watch video. Previous in a footer, the show option name is contact. After refresh, the contact place watch video. They go direct to go to their YouTube channel. They can watch your complete videos. So this is the way write your anchor text option. Each particular link, there is a call hyperlink option. This will be syntax will be follow will be like this. So this is a complete for C panel. Go to specific page and change the particular pattern. If any further question, please contact Distraka channel. Definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.